এক, দুই, তিনি, চাৰি। চাৰিটা গিফ্ট মিক্স এবাৰ। Rakhi picture uploaded. Hashtag my brother. Hashtag happy Rakhi. Hashtag Raksha Bandhan selfie. Hashtag gift. Hashtag follow for follow. Done.
Okay.
Guys, welcome back to my channel, and Azi all glammed up because Azi video topic to is really beautiful aru enokwa eta festival er uporot hoy which we all girls like a lot, not because je ami gifts pau aru eta karon hoy je ami jibilak mane kiteba lora kismane okhanti kore na heto jodi ami kiteba mane bandhi diu je ami বহুত শান্তি পাও। Right, Rakhi. Not this Rakhi. This Rakhi. So, today's video is all about the celebration of Raksha Bandhan and the history of Raksha Bandhan. The Raksha Bandhan start korpra hol. And like, kune first Rakhi banisile ba korpra a jitu eta continuation to jitu pratha to korpra start hol. So, আজি ভিডিওটো হেতুৰ ওপৰত, and that's why I'm so glammed up because Rakhi is nice, yeah. I love this festival and it's cute. আমি এটা বস্তু জানো যে Raksha Bandhan is all about the bond between a brother and a sister, and it's a really beautiful thing to appreciate the brothers in this day because আমি নিজৰ দাদা বা ভাইটিক ৰাখি বান্ধো just because we want them to protect us. কিছুমানতো আমাৰ নিজৰ ডাঙৰকো বান্ধাই কিছুমানে অকল দাদা বা ভাইটি বুলি নহয় যোনে আমাক ৰক্ষা কৰিব বুলি আমি ভাবো। সো এই বস্তুটো এতিয়া নহয়, এতিয়া নতুন বস্তু, এতিয়া আজিকালি তো এটা ফ্যাশন টাইপ হৈ গৈছে যে Raksha Bandhan হয় we are my Rakhi brother just, but this was not the case all over. So আমি আজি চাম যে Raksha Bandhanৰ main meaning to the main element হেতু কি হয়। So let's start the video. So first let's know what is Raksha Bandhan in terms of literature. Not in terms of literature, I mean like in common terms for all over the world. So let's see what is Raksha Bandhan first. So Raksha Bandhan is a popular traditional Hindu and annual rite or ceremony which is central to a festival of the same name. That means Raksha Bandhan is a thing that is celebrated as Raksha Bandhan. Okay. So it is celebrated all over South Asia and it's mainly amongst the people who are following Hinduism. So it's mainly a thing of Hindu people, but it's such a beautiful thing that we all can follow. Not only just the Hindus, but any religion. We can just follow this tradition because it's really beautiful. On this day, sisters of all ages tie Rakhi on the hands of their brothers, and Rakhi is a sacred thread which is beautifully decorated, and that Rakhi is the symbol of protection. We sisters tie this Rakhi in the hands of our brothers so that they would protect us. Okay, that is a thing of respect. We respect our elders, we respect our brothers as our protectors, and we want them to protect us. So this event, the Rakhi event, has started long before, like we can date back to like history. So like this date backs to almost 3,000 to 4,000 years in the times of Mahabharata. So let's see what was the story behind this according to the Mahabharata. So the history of Raksha Bandhan dates back to the Hindu mythology. As per Hindu mythology, in Mahabharata, the great Indian epic, Draupadi, the wife of the Pandavas, as we know, Draupadi was the wife of the 5 Pandavas, and she tied a piece of cloth, a torn cloth, in the hands of Lord Krishna. His wrist was bleeding in some case, so she tied that for just to protect him. So on that day, it was like a symbol that Krishna promised to save her from any kind of difficulty she would face in her life. So we can also remember that when the Kauravas brought her to the court, like in front of every man, and tried to derobe her, at that time Krishna was the one who saved her with the clothes, with the extra clothes. If we all remember, if you all know, when Draupadi was being derobed by Dushashan, I guess. So at that time Krishna blessed her with more and more clothes, so that her respect would stay. That was the thing when Krishna, as a brother or as a protector, saved her, as he had promised her at that day of Raksha Bandhan to save and protect her forever. So that was the first incident, not first, but it was the earliest, earliest example of Raksha Bandhan. Then there is a more and more interesting story about Raksha Bandhan, which is related to Alexander the Great, who tried to invaded India. Alexander the Great, it's about him. So let's see that story now. So the story of Alexander the Great was that when he first invaded India, he had to fight with King Puru, and King Puru was a great king. Like, his words had such power. He had such power, and even Alexander was so surprised and enchanted with his power. He felt weak, and King Puru had all the power, and Alexander's wife, she saw the plight of her husband his situation. She could feel his situation. She was feeling pity for her husband, that Alexander the Great had such a difficult time being with King Puru. So she knew about the ritual of Raksha Bandhan that was followed in India. So she went to King Puru near him, and she tied the Rakhi around his wrist. So she considered him as a Rakhi brother. And as King Puru was an Indian and he was a great king, he wanted to be a king, and he was always very polite and very honest of his promises. So as she tied the Rakhi in his hands, he was sure that he would not harm Alexander a bit also. So as his Rakhi sister's husband, he did nothing to Alexander and left him. So that was also a really nice example about Raksha Bandhan. And as we know, as my analysis, I can say that Raksha Bandhan is not just about the simple ritual of tying just a simple Rakhi or a beautiful Rakhi. It doesn't matter that how beautiful the Rakhi is. It always matters that the sister's love, how much the sister loves her brother. May it be her elder brother, may it be her younger brother. But all that matters is the value of love that comes with the Rakhi, the small piece of Rakhi. Some may say that, oh shit, I couldn't give my brother a big Rakhi, a nice floral Rakhi. But that doesn't matter. If that matters, it means that their love is not, they're just for show. Since nowadays, I don't mind, but I would say that some of the girls are like I'll tie Rakhi in someone's hand and I'll get gifts. They all do it for gifts, but not all are the same. I personally, and I know most of the girls who love their brothers. Almost every girl who loved their brother would wait for this day, not just for the gift, but actually to give them the respect they need. Because obviously, just since we are brothers and sisters, we'll always fight and we'll fight with each other and just argue with each other and everything. But in times of protection and help, we always come together. So to show that respect to our brothers, this festival is celebrated, the Raksha Bandhan. So through this video, I would like to say one more thing that is related to Raksha Bandhan is that it is a very big Purnima. Okay, Raksha Bandhan, the Raksha Bandhan is like the Purnima, Rakhi Purnima. We say it as Rakhi Purnima. So in this Purnima day, the Brahmans, all the Brahmachari ones, the Brahmans who have the sacred thread in the head, which we in Assamese say as logun, they change their loguns in this day. They change their sacred threads in this day to show their samarpan. I would say it in Hindi, to show their samarpan towards their study, towards their scriptural study, so that they can continue it for more and more years. They show their devotion, their love, their respect towards their study in this day. So that's also a nice fact that I had knew while studying for this video. I have actually studied for this video, so I knew that also. I got to know that a nice thing. And obviously Raksha Bandhan will always be a very beautiful, and I use the word cute because it's really cute. Just the love between a brother and a sister is really cute. It's really cute, and I like it because I may be a single child. I'm a single child of the home. I may be a single child, but I have so many Rakhi brothers, and my cousin brothers, I love them so much. They're like a part of my heart. I love them very much, very, very, very much. All my dada and bhaitis, sorry. So I love them. I really love them. So I also wait for this day of Rakhi to tie them Rakhi, and I'm really excited to do this because I don't want any gifts or something. I just want to show them that I love them a lot. And every sister who is watching this must feel the same. I know you also feel the same for your brothers. And through this video, I'd like to say happy Raksha Bandhan to all my brothers, all my elder brothers and all my younger brothers. A very, very happy and beautiful life. And also I'd like to say that God bless you all so that you can be more powerful and save us. I'm not saying that we can't save ourselves, we girls can also save ourselves, but your brother, yeah, it's your first. Obviously, you have to save us. Like in some situations, if we can handle it by ourselves also, but still we need you guys to be our backbones, to be with us, to support us in every point of our life. So thank you everyone for watching this video till the end, and to all my brothers for helping me throughout my journey. And also 3 important steps of life, very important, very, very, very important steps of life: like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye, take care.